Both TikTok and Instagram have given me more time, up to 3 minutes or more in the case of TikTok, to make videos, so I can slow these down and stop rushing just a little bit. So I want to talk about this piece for the lower sensor dome for the refit Excelsior Enterprise B. What's up, plastic addicts? Let's get into it. Use these micro drill bits, 2 options, the regular ones and these carbide tip ones. Both are great, but you got to be careful. Don't put any torsional stress on them. You got to go straight in and out, otherwise these things will break. By the way, what's up, plastic addicts? Let's get into it anyway. So we're going to drill this out because we need to have an opening and check that out. Yeah, we got that open there. This would be easier with a pin vise, but I don't like the slowness of a pin vise, so I'll take the extra hassle required using power tools. So we drill that out so I can get the knife in there and start opening that up a little bit. And with this, you got to take your time and just open it up a little bit, cut it, file it, drill it repeatedly until you get the right shape and size, excuse me. And this is difficult because of the way the piece is molded, so you have to remove a lot of detail. But as I said, you got to take your time and be careful, because if you make it too big, then you kind of paint yourself into a corner. So we got that open and nice and clear and free, but now we need to compare it against the part. After doing some filing, I really should have watched ahead in this video before doing the voiceover. Anyway, file it out to open up a little bit more, and you can do it from the inside and outside. Doing it from the outside means you are going to make a little bit of a trench, but we'll talk about that later. And okay, so that's much wider now. Here's the kit's, the Lake Monster part, excuse me. And as you can see, that's not going to fit. So let's mark it out on just exactly how much bigger we need to make this opening. And yeah, same thing on the inside and the outside. Reference points are always good for when you're cutting things. So this is the razor saw, one of the set I got from Amazon. Definitely a very, very handy tool. And so that opened things up a little bit so I can get the knife in there, then the file, more knifing, just to get the inside opened up a little bit more. And we're going to sand that down to get rid of any ridges, high points, whatnot. Here I'm sanding down the Lake Monster part, just see if, between the two pieces, see if I can get a better fit. And let's pop that in there, and look at that. Now we can have light transmission from the inside to the outside. Hope you enjoy this video. See you next time.